Apatosaurus. Nagtitingin si Bonbon, si Maven, at si Marlon. Okay? Okay, makinig na. Apatosaurus. Yung Apatosaurus naman ay kumakain ng meat. Ay, hindi pala. Gulay.
Gulay.
Gulay siya. So, Apatosaurus. Apatosaurus was a big, heavy, long-necked plant eater. Wow, ang haba daw, sabi ni Maven. It was so big that other animals like Pterosaurus flew around it, catching the insects that were disturbed as it moved along.
Ng tao?
Hindi, kasi kumakain siya ng plants.
Hindi siya kumakain ng mga tao.
Hindi ka naman plant. Kung plant ka, pwede na kakainin ka niya.
Ito.
Kaya nga.
Ay,
Plants lang, kinakain yan.
Anong kinakain ng elephant?
Hindi, ito. Ito yung dinosaur na kasing laki ng elephant. So, the Pterosaurus also settled in Apatosaurus sides and peckled parasites from its skin. So, parasite feeders today. So, yung Apatosaurus pala, yun yung naglilipad dito.
Naglilipad?